So what is up everyone, JFLores here, and for today's episode is another Bluetooth speaker review by Edifier, which is the Edifier MP230.
I need a shout, no chase. My girl need a wine in the state. My mom need a house for the late. So I got some money to make. They told me I got what it take, so I gotta take it all back. I told them I need my pay. I need my 50 for tax.
So in this video, ipapakita ko lang ano yung laman ng box, the build, the design, the top features of this speaker, and of course, my conclusion whether you would buy this 3,300 peso na Bluetooth speaker by Edifier. So in the box, well, ang ganda pala ng box niya. So unang item, you have the manual na walang bumabasa. You have a Type-C USB cable for charging, an auxiliary cable, and of course, the Edifier MP230, which is very classy, retro, solid, and very, very cute at the same time. For the build and design of the Edifier MP230, it's a combination of wood and copper. Yung base material niya is solid wood talaga. This speaker reminds me of the Marshall Emberton, which is very expensive. Nasa 8,000 to 9,000. Pero ito, just 3,000 pesos. It looks very, very classy, but at the same time, retro na rin. It's very portable for me kasi ang gaan-gaan niya, and meron din siyang rubber feet para hindi siya madaling madulas kung saan mo ilagay, kasi alam naman natin, ikaw medyo clumsy ka pag nagdadala ka ng speaker tapos itapon mo kung saan. And lastly, sa likod meron kang DC input na Type-C, which you could use as your charging port, or ito yung charging port mo talaga, which I'm very happy kasi yung previous generation neto is micro USB pa. Ito Type-C. You also have an auxiliary in port, and of course the micro SD insert port. Yeah. For the features naman, I'm really excited kasi yung previous generation has 7 hours of playback time, but this one is double that. It has 16 hours, well, more than double. 16 hours of playback time. So wala ka ng sawa na magkikinig sa mga non-stop music mo ng Raining in Manila. It also has multiple ways of playing music, be it Bluetooth, auxiliary, or yung micro SD card kung ayaw mo na maglagay ng device or connect a device sa speaker na to. You can also use the USB port sa likod to connect your laptop, your computer, kung ano-ano man for streaming purposes, not just for charging. It also has Bluetooth 5.0, so the latency is very, very low, or somewhat like not close to none, pero medyo low siya, okay siya. And you have passive radiator sa likod to enhance or to richen or to basta, so you would have a rich bass. Not exactly like the older generation, which is the MP260, kasi yon may subwoofer siya, pero eto radiators lang, so mas okay yung bass sa MP260, pero mas malaki yun. For the sound quality naman, for its size, I was not expecting too much, and so should you. So hindi siya masyadong at this point talaga yung sound quality niya. The mids and highs are very good, pero yung bass niya is so-so lang, kasi again, as I've mentioned, wala siyang subwoofer gaya ng older model, so don't expect to have that crispy or bassy sound talaga sa mga music mo. So for the record naman, yung vocals na lumalabas if you're streaming music or playing music with this speaker is very, very clear and crisp. But nonetheless, ito po yung sound quality niya. Insert ko lang. So for my conclusion, personally, I would not buy this siguro, mainly because of its sound quality, kasi yung sound quality niya is overall so-so lang or okay lang, which is okay din naman, good siya. Pero if you're looking for a retro, somewhat aesthetic Bluetooth speaker na portable, I think that's one of the major selling point din sa Edifier MP230. For its size, I can't complain with the sound quality, but nonetheless, this is still a great value for money. So that's it. God bless, stay safe, peace.